Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. And what day is today? I'm trying to think what today
20th.
is. Today is May 20th, Thursday, May 20th. And thank you, everybody, for watching me. I appreciate it. I'm going to do something a little bit different today. Give everybody a few minutes here to join in. I see that people are joining. So hello, everybody. Hello, Sean. Hello, thank you very much for joining me. I appreciate it. Hello, Joel. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Hello, Justin. Give me a thumbs up so I know you're here. It is early for me. Usually I don't do my cocktail times with Jamie until later, usually about 4:30ish or so. So thanks everybody for joining me. I appreciate it. We are open tonight. We have live jazz in the garden. So it's our first live music, live jazz that we have had since beginning of March, I guess. If you are around tonight, come on in. The garden will be open. We're doing outdoor seating tonight only. Make reservations. I highly recommend it. And John, Simon, and friends will be outside playing in the garden, so you can listen to some nice jazz while you are eating dinner tonight at Aroma Time. So 647-3000, call and make your reservation. And let's see. Our $9.99 to go special this week is our salmon dish served with a mustard dill sauce. We still have our $34.99 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine to go. That's going to be ending soon, so take advantage of that when you can. We are open all weekend. We're going to try to do all outdoor dining this weekend. All right. I am back. Hopefully you didn't lose me too much. But anyway, today is Cocktails on the Go. So I'm just going to turn this around here so that you can see. As you can see, this is our dining room now. These are all of our cocktails, our drinks and wines and liquors and stuff like that to go. I've pulled out a bunch of, to-go cocktails, which I am going to talk about. But look at this, you can come in, you can take something to go, you can get dinner, you can get takeout, and take stuff home. We're kind of like a liquor store here. So come on in and enjoy some cocktails to go. But anyway, in the meantime, we just got 2 really good new cocktails from LIV, from Long Island Spirits. This is their last summer lime fizz. And I'm going to begin with this one because I'm going to open it up and I am going to have a sip while I am enjoying it. But all of these are awesome. Put on the boat. Any of the drinks that I'm talking about today, you can take it to go, throw it in a cooler. They're easy to transport. They're easy. One drink, you can put it in your bag while you're hiking. So this is the lemon lime fizz, last summer lime fizz.
100 calories.
100 calories.
Sweetened with stevia.
Sweetened with stevia. This one is awesome. They also make a watermelon crush, which we have. I don't remember the price on them offhand. Do you remember?
I don't either.
I want to say they're $3.50 each, maybe $4 each. I'm not sure, but
They're a good deal.
They're a good deal. 5% alcohol, great little summer drink. I'm going to taste it while I'm talking to you.
These are 12% alcohol.
All right. Then you have the Copper Mule. These are mules in a can to go. These are 12% alcohol. There's 2 drinks in here, everybody. 2 drinks. I believe these are $5 each, Marcus? Can you look?
So.
$5 each to go. We have rosé in a can. We have these awesome sparkling waters to go from Oscar Blues. This one is lime and this one is black raspberry. We also have a Wolfer Dry Rosé, which I think looks awesome. How much are those? To the left, down. Yeah.
Yeah, I can't read.
$6 each for a can of rosé. This is 2 glasses of wine. We have Naked Flock lemon ginger ciders to go. These are awesome to take with you, put in a cooler, put in a hiking bag, and enjoy while you're out and about. So they are awesome drinks. They're all on our shelves. This here isn't really, you can't really take this on a hike, but you can put this outside. You can put it on ice. This is 20 cocktails in this box. It's a black Manhattan,
Good for
made in
hotel rooms.
Brooklyn. Great for hotel rooms. Great to take away with you if you just want to drink a cocktail. Great to put out for a party as well, right? This is an awesome deal. How much is this one again? So 20 cocktails for
$65.
$65. So this is already made Manhattans, black Manhattans for you. Really great deal. And that is like all that I have to show you. Again, come in, get a bottle of wine, get a cocktail in a can. Enjoy, come watch jazz tonight. Thank you everybody for watching me. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. Marcus and I totally appreciate it. And let's see, I will see everybody on my next live, whenever that might be. I don't think I'll be live tomorrow. You never know. But I will see everybody shortly. Enjoy your weekend. Get outside. It's going to be beautiful out. What nice weather we're having right now. Get on your boat. I know there's boaters out there. People are putting their boat in the water right now. Hikers. The Sam's Point has awesome hiking. Get out there early. Get there at 9 o'clock. And thanks everybody. Hello Ralph. Hello Robert. Hello Melissa. Thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. And I will catch everybody soon. Have an awesome weekend, everybody. And we'll talk to you soon. Cheers.